Good afternoon again, John here. Found a picture. I guess that's what you do when you get old. You go through pictures instead of doing work. But I found a picture of the basswood doors down in the basement before I stained them. And the natural finish is kind of a neat finish on basswood. I think basswood is actually considered a hardwood, but it's soft. It's carved. I think carvers like it for doing duck decoys. Actually, this shelf here, this little shelf here in my shop is basswood. That's another chunk of that. That's the stock that I would have made the stiles and rails. But I found that picture here, and I found a few more pictures. Worked on this house up in Lake Geneva. It's in Williams Bay. I was up there about a year working on this house. If you've ever taken a tour around Lake Geneva, that's one of the houses in the tour. I think it's called the Annie Glidden House, but it was actually Amos and Andy's house. They were a famous radio duo back in the, I think, 20s and 30s. In fact, they did their broadcast from this porch, from what the locals told me. But found that, and then this picture here. Actually, this plane is an antique. It's a raised panel. You can see the profile that it makes. But I used this plane. Got the knives all nice and sharp. They kind of shine. But I used this plane to do the raised panels in the door. You do the end grain first, and then you do with the grain. But that's with a tung oil finish on it. I actually made that from one log. I kind of book matched the panels, and then I used vermilion for the hand carved vermilion knobs for it. But yeah, I was thumbing through the pictures, and I found that picture of those doors. I figured, well, I'd show you what it looks like. The basswood, my previous video was on, I prefer basswood over to pine because it's such a nice wood to work with. It was really cheap back then in those days too. But oh well, just like I say, when you get old like me, you go through the pictures, I guess. Alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.